Good day, Miss. My name is Shunday Rehenyo. Today, I will be performing administering oxygen. First procedure, assess patient respiratory rate and level of consciousness. And oxygen depletion would decrease respiratory rate, mental status, and elevates partial pressure carbon dioxide. Ma'am, magpo ako para determine current arterial blood gases if available. Post no smoking signs on the patient door and in view of patient and visitors. Oxygen supports combustion. There is always danger of fire when oxygen is used. So let's assume that this is the door. Show nasal cannula to the patient and explain the procedure. An explanation relieves apprehension and promotes cooperation. Ma'am, good day ma'am. Ako ang nurse na na-assign din na magtawag sa iyo, magbutang sa imo og oxygen and magbutang sa go o nasal cannula. Is that okay with you, ma'am? Make sure that the humidifier is filled to the appropriate mark. A humidifier is not sufficiently full, less moisture will be delivered. Check oxygen tank by turning on the regulator gauge to determine the amount of oxygen on it. By turning on the regulator, we need to counterclockwise. Attaching the connecting tube from the nasal cannula to the humidifier outlet. Oxygen forced through water in humidifier to prevent dehydration of mucous membrane. This is the tube. Set the flow rate at the prescribed liters or minute. Feel to determine if oxygen is flowing through the tips of the nasal cannula. Approximately oxygen concentration delivered by nasal cannula are 1 liter equal to 24%, 2 liters equal to 28%, 3 liters equal to 32%, and 5 liters equal to 40%. Place the tip of the cannula in the patient nose, fasten tubing around client's head or behind each ear. And position the cannula so that the tips do not extend more than 2.5 cm or 1 inch into the nares. Correct placement and fastener facilitates oxygen administration and comfort for the client. Ma'am, magtawag ko sa inyo kung ano na sa kanila. Adjust flow, prescribe rate, encourage the patient to breathe through his nose, with his mouth closed, keeping the mouth closed, provide optimum delivery of oxygen to the lungs. Ma'am, baliw ko ginhawa gamit ang imong ilong and ayaw iginhawa ang imong baba, imong ilong lang. Determine patient comfort with oxygen use. Sito. Flow rate excess of 41 minutes may lead swallowing and cause imitation to nasal and pharyngeal mucosa. If higher concentration are required, consider an ultimate form of therapy. Ma'am, kumusta yung gibati, ma'am? Okay lang. Record flow rate use. Record flow rate use and patient response. Okay lang, ma'am. Okay lang din yung ginhawa. And that's the end of my return demonstration about the administering oxygen.